Welcome to Sir X. This video I am going to simplify following exponent. Let's start. Please note that we cannot use calculator. First one, negative 1 to the power 4. It's a simple answer which is what? 1. How? Minus 1 to the power 4, it means minus 1 times minus 1 times minus 1 times minus 1 equal. We know 1 times 1 times 1 times it will be 1. Minus times minus plus, minus times minus plus. So it will be plus. Next one. Here is negative 1 to the power 5. The answer will be minus 1. Just look at previous one. Minus 1 to the power 4 and times minus 1. It will be minus 1 to the power 5. So minus 1 to the power 4 or any kinds of even power, the sign will be positive. It means plus. So this one become plus 1 times here is minus 1 equals to minus 1. So it's a main thing, if negative number but power is even, that negative number will become positive, and if power odd, that negative number will continue minus. Similar, here is minus 1 to the power 10, it should be plus. Minus 1 to the power 15, 15 is an odd number, so it will be minus 1. Same thing, minus 1 to the power 8, 8 is a positive number, so answer will be positive. But in here, 1 to the power, it means 1, and here is negative. So inside bracket and outside bracket, it's not similar thing. Be careful. Now look, here is negative minus times, or we can write like minus 1 times minus 1 to the power 8. It means this negative power is a even number, so this negative become positive, so it's just 1. So minus 1 times 1, it will be minus 1. Next, minus and power is negative, sorry, power is odd, so it should be minus. Then 3 cube, it means 27. If we more simplify, like 3 to the power 3, we can write minus 3 times minus 3 times minus 3. So minus times minus times minus, it will be minus 3, 3, 3. Once we multiply, it will be 27. Here is minus 3 cube. So minus 3 cube means 27. Next, here is minus, so we consider this one is minus 1 times, and this one is minus 27. So our answer will be minus times minus is a plus, so 27. Minus before bracket, it means this is minus 1 times minus square, it means plus 6 square, it means 36. So our answer is minus 36. Next, minus, it means minus 1. Minus power is odd, so it will be minus. 4 cube means 64. So minus 1 times minus 64, it will be plus 64. Next, 2 cube, it's 8 times 3 square means 9 times negative 1 to the power 5, it should be minus 1. So what will be the answer? Answer is 8 times 9 is a 72. and times negative, it's a minus 72. Very simple. Next, minus 1 to the power 4, it's a plus 1 times 3 cube means 27 times 2 square means 4. So what will be the answer? 4 times 7 is 8, carry 2, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 plus 2 is 100, it means 108. Next, minus 2 to the power 3, it means minus to the power 3, it will be minus 2 to the power 3 means 8, it's a minus 8, times 3 to the power 4, 81, and here is minus and power is plus or odd, so it will be plus, so here is 81. So 81 times 8, 8, 8 times 8, 64, and here is minus 3 to the power 0, it's 1, because we know a law of indices, a to the power 0 means 1, and this is a negative exponent. 6 to the power minus 1, it means 1 by 6. How? Because we know a to the power n equals to 1 by a to the power n, right? Similar, 4 to the power minus 1, it should be 1 by 4 as per negative exponent. So we already finished 18 math. It's a basic level, but we have to know this one. We try to solve more. Like here is 5 to the power 0, it's 1. 3 square is a 9. 3 to the power minus 2, it means 1 by 3 square. So we can say it's a 1 by 9. 3 square means 9. 5 to the power 3 is a 125. How? Because 5 times 5 times 5 equals to 125. Similar, 5 to the power minus 3, it's a negative exponent. We can write 1 by 5 to the power 3. So our answer is 1 divided 125. How? Because we know a to the power minus n equals to 1 by a to the power n. 7 square is a 49. 7 to the power minus 2, it's a 1 divide 7 square, it means 1 by 49. 10 cube, it's a what? 1000. 10 times 10 times 10, it's a 1000. Very simple. Similar, 10 to the power minus 3, it's a 1 by 10 cube, or we can say 1 by 1000. No more today. Very important part we try to finish. It's very important. Here we are trying to learn power of 0. Power of 0. It means a to the power 0 means 1. Then we try to learn negative exponent. Negative exponent, which is a to the power minus n, it means 1 by a to the power n. So no more today. Please share my channel and subscribe my channel, which is SadX. I'm trying to discuss lots of mathematical terms, algebra, different types of thinking you will get from this channel.